Yeah, welcome again to Tahela Graphics. Compliments of the season. This morning, as you look at my screen, I'm going to teach you how to edit images with Photoshop Camera Raw Filter. Okay? Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the main image. That's before, and this is after the edit. Okay, you can see that the after edit is more matured, more weighty, and more beautiful than the before image. Now, before we go into what we have, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want you to like and I want you to share this video so that others will learn. And also click your notification button to know when new videos drop. Alright, let's go. Alright, this is the main image. Now we copy. Okay. We are going to make use of this. We change it to main. Alright. So let's go. Go to filter and you click camera raw filter. Alright. Now I want you to watch closely to what I'm going to do. So from here we go to clarity. Okay. Go to construct. You see the image is coming up. We go to black. We go to white. You see? Okay. We go to texture. Okay. Add a little clarity. When you go to details, go to sharpening. Then we use noise reduction. Then we go back to basic. Add construct. Again, the texture. Then you come to saturation. Okay, this is what we have now. The image is more visible and more beautiful. Okay, so we are going to click OK. So this is the first image, this is the second image. Okay, the first image, the second image. Now as you can see, the image has so much developed that you can use it for any of your design. The hair color comes out black. The skin color comes out very rich. The clothes, the sweater comes out more red. And the shirt, the brown shirt he wore inside comes out very brown. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tweaks tutorials for your design. God bless you.